Children, the last section of this chapter, knowing your number, belongs to Roman numerals. Children, last section of this chapter is Roman numerals. Children, what are Roman numerals? The numerals, it is a set of very ancient type of numbers which you have seen sometimes in your watches, like such type of numbers 2, 5, 10. These numbers generally appear on the in the dial of old watches, and this type of numbers you can also see on your timetable, and this type of number you can also see on the outside the plate of your class. Such type of numbers you can also see on the name plate of the class outside every classroom. So such children, now you can remind these numbers. These numbers can be reminded by you now. So what are these type of numbers? These are called Roman numerals. In these numbers, 1 stands for 1 and 2 is written as this and 3 is written like this. Number 4 is written like this. Number 5 is written like this. Number 6 is written like this. Number 7 is written like this. Number 8 is written like this. Number 9 is written like this. And number 10 is written like this. And these are general numbers up to 10. Now the numbers onward after 10 are L stands for 50. C stands for 100, century. and D stands for 500. Number D is represents 500 and number M represents 1000. So children, the Roman numerals are there in are such type of numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and after 10. Now how you will write 20, 30 and like this. Now to understand these numbers, we will see certain rules belonging to these numbers. Rule 1 for this number is, if a symbol is repeated, its value is added. As many times as it occurs. Like 2 gives 2, 20, 30. Here this x is repeated twice and one x represents 10. Therefore 10 plus 10 is equal to 20. Similarly 10 plus 10 plus 10 is equal to 30 because x is repeated thrice. बच्चों इस रोमन न्यूमरल्स में पहला रूल ये है कि कोई भी सिंबल अगर वो रिपीट होता है तो उसकी वैल्यू बढ़ जाती है. जैसे यहाँ ये I is repeated twice, I plus I means 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. तो 2 लिखने के लिए हम रोमन न्यूमरल्स में इस तरीके से 2 को रोमन न्यूमरल्स में इस तरीके से लिखा जाता है. यहाँ 10 प्लस 10 करने पे 2 बार x रिपीट करने से 20 हो जाता है, 3 बार x रिपीट करने से 30 हो जाता है. तो जितनी बार आप रिपीट करेंगे तो उस नंबर की वैल्यू बढ़ती चली जाती है, लेकिन किसी भी सिंबल को हम 3 बार से ज्यादा रिपीट नहीं करते हैं. ये रूल भी है. नाउ रूल सेकंड इज, a symbol is not repeated more than 3 times, but symbols 5 L, T are never repeated. You can repeat I 10 x but thrice, but we cannot repeat this number 5 plus, we cannot write 10 as, no, the symbol for 10 is separate, that is x. So these are not repeated, and this represent, L represents 50, 50 will be never repeated, D represent 500, it will also not repeated. बच्चों ये सिंबल्स V और L और D ये रिपीट नहीं किए जाते हैं. Third rule is this: if a symbol of smaller value is written to the right of a symbol of greater value, its value gets added to the value if a symbol of a smaller value is retained to the right of a symbol of greater value, its value gets added to the value of greater number. Like, for example, V stands for 5 and we add I to it. It gives 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. The value of this symbol is 6. Means this symbol stands for 5 and 1 is placed at the right of it. It improves its value. It's added into the value of 5 and it becomes 6. And similarly, if we add 2 i's after x, it gives the value of 10. X stands for 10 plus 1 is equal to 12. So the greater value gets, the value is added, further added in the greater value, greater symbol, greater value symbol. Now we take one more example, L, X, V. This is X, L stands for 50 and we are adding a smaller value symbol X. This is 10 plus again we are adding smaller value symbol 5. This is this. So the value of this number is 65. Rule 4 is like this: if a symbol of a smaller value is written to the left of a symbol of greater value, its value is subtracted from the value of the greater symbol. So what does it say? If a symbol of a smaller value is written to the left, in rule 3 we were adding a smaller value symbol to the right of a symbol of greater value. Here it is the reverse. We are putting a smaller value symbol before a greater value symbol, then its value gets subtracted. Now we can see, we write 5 here, V for 5, and if we put 1 before V, its value is not, it does not become 6, it becomes 1 is subtracted from 5, it is 4. So smaller value symbol is added before the greater value symbol, it reduces its value, means it becomes 4. Similarly, if we write I before x, it gives you 10 minus 1, 9, and if we write x before L, it is, x stands for 10, L stands for 5, the value becomes 40. And similarly, if we write C means 100 minus 10 is equal to 90. So children, the value is subtracted if we write a smaller value symbol before a greater value symbol. बच्चों, इस नियम में क्या होता है कि ग्रेटर वैल्यू सिंबल के लेफ्ट साइड में, राइट में अगर ऐड करेंगे किसी स्मॉलर वैल्यू सिंबल को तो उसकी वैल्यू बढ़ जाती है. जैसे यहाँ 5 है, बी स्टैंड्स फॉर 5, अगर हम इसको यहाँ आगे लगा दें, एक आई आगे ऐड कर दे तो ये 6 हो जाएगा, और अगर इसके पहले ऐड कर दे से तो सब्ट्रैक्ट होके ये 5 की जगह 4 रह जाएगा. ऐसे ही 10 के आगे आई लगा देने से ये 9 बन जाएगा. नाउ द नेक्स्ट रूल इज, the symbol VLD are never written to the left of a symbol of greater value. That is, these numbers are never subtracted. The symbol I can be subtracted from V and symbol X can be subtracted from L, M and C only. So children, rule 5 is VLD are never written to the left. These big numbers are not written to the left. A symbol I can be subtracted from 5 and 10. Therefore, following these rules, we get one for one, and so on up to the 10. I have already given in the beginning of this section. Now for higher values, for 20, 30, XL is equal to 40, 50 for L है, So children, by now I think you have understood the Roman numerals. For further study, you can also consult your books. And thanks for watching this video and keep subscribing our channel.